clear tu te chibai le vekule Assam Rifles chuan rifleman technical le tradesman post sangkha jani somthum lai alale dona chu Directorate of General Assam Rifle Headquarters Shillong chuan tunthla agas ni som le parukhan notification circular ati chuaka chu local newspaper le national newspaper thren khata te ati chuak to bokani vacancy details rank eligibility age limit salary le online atanga apply dan tur chungchang tuntum kan video a chuan bi chianna kan nei le donani post work zong za thi sangkha jani le somthum ania post work te le post work za te han en ho masaila masabera chuanin bridge and road chungchanga hianin mipa le mechia tan adil ve theyanga posom ni le pahni arwakani bridge and road ta khan pahni na chuanin clerk ania hepo hi mechial mipa dil ve theya post zathum le somli pakua arwaka personal assistant posom pakua arwaka electrical fitter post somli le pahni lineman field post somni le pariat engineer equipment mechanic bikania post pathum arwaka electrician mechanic vehicle post somni le pali instrument repair emo mechanic post som le pahni vehicle mechanic somthum le panga upholster post som pali electrician post somli le pathum plumber somthum le pathum surveyor som x-ray assistant somni le pariat veterinary field post pakua pharmacist post somthum le pahni female safai post pakua barber post somruk le pariat cook post zathum somthum le pakua masalchi male bika post pali male safai post zale pasari khangta kha arwaka ti chuanin total vacancy chu post sangkha jani le somthum ani initial rank initial post han enila bridge and road kan ti ho kha naib subedar a khanin an rank masaber ani dona ti chuanin clerk ho hi havildar rank ani dona personal assistant warrant officer electrical fitter rifleman lineman field ho kha rifleman tho engineer equipment mechanic ho kha rifleman electrician mechanic vehicle rifleman instrument repair mechanic havildar anianga vehicle mechanic rifleman upholster rifleman electrician rifleman plumber rifleman surveyor rifleman x-ray assistant havildar veterinary field assistant warrant officer pharmacist khangho kha warrant officer anianga female safai riflewoman barber rifleman cook rifleman masalchi rifleman male safai rifleman khangte kha an post zira an rank ming turani deal tura thiam na ngai te han en leila bridge and road bi ka hianin class 10 pass atanga diploma in civil engineering for bridge and road diploma in engineering ni kha angai ni clerk hi 10+2 anianga chonin skill test a hianin english typing chu minimum speed a 35 words per minute thiam na nei angai ni skills kha nei angai ni ti chuanin personal assistant to hi 10+2 tho ani dona ti chuanin computer dictation skill test om dona khamia khanin 80 words per minute khami skills kha nei angai ni electrical fitter om leya class 10 pass chintan class 10 bika khanin science maths le english subject lak angai thungani lineman field class 10 pass with ITI in electrician trade class 10 pass angai chuan ITI a khanin electrician trade a khanin training certificate khani angai bokani engineer equipment hemi hi class 10 pass with ITI in mechanic trade angaya electrician mechanic vehicle a hianin class 10 pass with ITI in motor mechanic instrument repair or mechanic a hianin 10+2 pass baka khanin ITI in instrumentation certificate nei angaya vehicle mechanic a hianin metric pass with English maths and science baka khanin diploma emo ITI certificate kha nei angai ni upholster a hianin 10 pass baka khanin ITI certificate in khami grade ITI certificate grade kha pass angaya electrician a hianin 10 pass baka ITI certificate nei angaya plumber a hianin 10 pass ba ka khanin ITI certificate in plumber kamia plumber trade ta khan certificate nei ngai ni surveyor tan hianin 10 pass ba ka khan ITI certificate in surveyor trade ta khanin nei ngaya x-ray assistant ta hianin 10+2 with diploma in radiology akhan diploma nei angaya ni veterinary field assistant ta hianin 10+2 ba ka khanin 2 years diploma certificate in veterinary science ba ka khan 1 year experience angai boka pharmacy sa hianin 10+2 pass with degree or diploma in pharmacy nei ngaya female safaya hian 10 pass chin barbara hianin 10 pass chin kuka po class 10 pass chin anianga masalchi hianin class 10 pass chin male safaya po hianin class 10 pass chin angai ni kumbithlia chungchanga hianin tuna somni le pakhat trade post rang kan han soita khawa khanin kumsom pare ta tanga somni le pathum le som pare ta tanga somni panga in carbor vel khan ni deuveka kan soi thinangin ST tribal STSC kani tribal tan chuanin upper age relaxation kha kumnga om thina som pare tanga somni pathum ani chuanin kumnga upper age som choni somni pariat thleng anianga somni panga thleng ani chuanin kumnga relaxation en kumsom thum omzia chu kumsom pariat tanga somni pariat emo somthum in kar khan kandil theini khang na te kha kandil thei tina ani selection process a chuanin a written exam PET physical efficiency test PST physical standard test le medical examination te a omanga September ni som pakhat kumsahni le somni pakhat kumin September ni som pakhata hianin official advertisement aron ti chu huna written exam te tin written exam syllabus te physical requirement ang chi te tin hre tur poimo dang te po kha kan soi chhole dona ni apply dan tur han ani la online atanga apply tur ani dona official notification hi Assam Rifles official website atangin kan en thai dona ni anron ti chuak dona ni thale September ni som pakhata notification hi anon ti chuak doni khami an website atang khan anon ti chuak dona kan lo ngai chang donia online application hi September ni som pakhata tanga October ni som ni le panga inkara submit man vector ani don bokani application fee hi STSC female kan ti hotan khanin om don lova last date of submission hi October ni som ni le panga ani don ani ti chuanin exam hun hi December ni khat kumin kum top December ni khat vel kha an bei sei bokani exam center chungchanga hianin Assam Rifles recruitment hi Northeast region chunga state tina hian center aum thina chung nominated centers ate chuanin recruitment rally kha an conduct donani country tu chu Assam Rifles kan ti wang hianin Assam state khole tuita tan chawa dil thei tina anilawa government of India waya omin Assam Rifles headquarters po hi Shillong Meghalaya daya omani chu wang chuanin keini Northeast region ho chuanin kan dil thei vekani September ni som pakhat sahni le somni pakhata thlale ni som pakhata official advertisement anti chuak dona chumi huna chuanin salary le allowance te syllabus details te le online atanga form fill up dan tur chungchang te chiang zokin video kanon siam le dona ni